smoke, I've gone to heaven.
He's wagging his tail like crazy.
Sorry,
Like,
Kenny.
oh, Mike. Smell that.
Everybody's wagging
Yeah,
tails.
with those ears, especially when they got them tucked back.
I know. You want to go see the outside? I'm not going to take you off the leash though because I think you're going to freaking take off. Come on. Come on, Ron. Oh, I know. That was a bad one. That was a bad one.
Watch out.
Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, you just touched poo-poo. Oh, Penny, hush.